Did you know that operating a payments platform globally isn't just about moving money, it's about navigating a labyrinth of laws? Every transaction, every country, has a unique set of financial regulations. The truth is, for a company like Paysafe, which operates across numerous international markets and offers a diverse range of payment solutions, from digital wallets and prepaid cards to payment processing, the challenge of compliance is immense. It's the essential, but often unseen, backbone of their entire operation. So, how exactly does Paysafe handle this massive regulatory and licensing task? It comes down to a proactive, multi-layered strategy that ensures trust and legality wherever they operate. Firstly, they employ a global yet local licensing approach. Since there's no single worldwide payments license, Paysafe operates through multiple, regulated entities across the globe. You'll find different subsidiaries authorized and regulated by various financial authorities, like the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, the Central Bank of Ireland, and a host of others across the EU, North America, and beyond. This decentralized structure allows them to adhere to specific local requirements while leveraging the strength of a global platform. Secondly, rigorous compliance is built directly into their technology and operations. This isn't an afterthought, it's core to the service. For instance, in payment processing, they maintain strict adherence to the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS, which is vital for securing cardholder data. They also have sophisticated internal systems for anti-money laundering, or AML, and Know Your Customer, or KYC, procedures. These systems are constantly updated to detect and prevent fraud, ensuring they are not just compliant, but setting a high standard for security. In essence, Paysafe treats regulation and licensing not as a hurdle, but as a strategic asset. By committing significant resources to maintain these diverse licenses and operational compliance, they establish credibility and trust with their merchants, consumers, and regulators. This commitment is what allows them to confidently facilitate payments across complex sectors like iGaming, financial services, and e-commerce, linking up over 100 payment types in multiple currencies worldwide. Their success isn't just in processing transactions quickly, it's in ensuring every single one is legally sound and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.